Good evening, guys. Went to Harbor Freight and picked up Syntec 3/16 inch fiberglass wire running kit, 33 feet. Now, they also have a little kit that's about this long. Really not interested in that. When I say I picked it up, I picked up another set of them. If you're going to use these, eventually you're going to lose one, break one. If you get up in the attic and you're pulling something, sometimes you have to kind of move it around to get it to go through a small hole. When you do that, sometimes the end will come off. Okay, they're called fiberglass wire running kit. The correct name for this is fish sticks. There's fish tape and fish sticks because you use them to fish cable. So, let's pop the end. Okay, so what do you get? So if it's 33 feet long and these are 3 feet each, you get 10 of these. And they're all the same. Each one has a female and a male. And you screw them together. There you go. And you string them together. Now these are very light. As you see, they're flimsy. And that's great because you can pretty much go around a corner pretty easily. The problem is, if you go across 33 feet, you are not going to be able to control the end of that. So if you're going a linear distance, it's very hard to handle. If you're going through a hole and across the ceiling, it gets somewhat manageable. But it's very easy for that tip to tip down and get caught on something. So it's got 33 feet. It's got a hook. So if you want to run it through a hole or down a ceiling or something, and you can fish to hook something. Most likely, from my viewpoint, I'm going to put the fiberglass sticks through. I'm going to tape something to the end and then pull the sticks through, then pull the cable through. So how does this one look? This kit is 5 years old, and I broke a couple, lost a couple. I was fishing an attic, and it was probably 16 linear feet, and I was trying to put that in a hole at the end of that 16 feet. So I kept whipping it around like this, trying to get it over the air conditioning duct. Well, amazingly enough, whipping it like that, it came undone. I left two sticks 16 feet down in that attic on the slope of the ceiling. They're still there. Not worth it to me to get. And I broke one. So I've got 6. I know 2 is in that attic. And I know I broke one. I have no idea where the other ones are. But that's one of the great things about Harbor Freight tools. I bought these for $7.99. Well, for $7.99, when I got down to 6, I went and bought another set. So I'm on sale for $7.99. Anything that's on sale at Harbor Freight for a price, wait 6 months and it'll be there again. So to me, $7.99. Now I've got a set and a half. And you can see I put electrical tape on the piece itself. I mostly use them to fish attics. Very, very seldom would I fish a wall. Fishing a wall is like terrible, especially if there's insulation. So I've got 2 sets of these. I'll take the new set, put in the case, get these to be the same as that one. I have one that has a broken end, and you can see I've fished these in some pretty crappy places. They're pretty gnarly looking, but they do the job they're intended to. They're a little bit flimsy, but I'm kind of okay with that. Sometimes you want them to be flimsy to go spin them around a corner. So now I've got 16. Now they tape the bottom on, and this thing slides on and off. I had lost it for the other one. If you put it on there hard enough, it has 2 little indentations there to hold it on. It creates pressure, but you got to really smack it to get it on. And I just put this in the shop, hanging on the wall. I might use it once a year. That's one of the reasons I like Harbor Freight. I can buy something and justify it because it's so cheap, even though I only use it once a year. But when you need something like this, you kind of really need it. So $7.99, 33 feet, well worth the price, easy to use, and you have to really abuse them to break them. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.